Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KS Academy. My name is Engineer Ubaidullah and this section we are starting Abaqus. What is Abaqus? Abaqus is a powerful suite of powerful engineering simulation program based on the finite element modeling. It is used to solve problems from relatively simple linear analysis to complex non-linear simulations. Abaqus is a widely used in industries. And this course we will learn Abaqus related to civil engineering. Here are some applications in civil engineering, such as structure analysis of building, structure analysis of bridges and design, seismic analysis and design, geotechnical investigation and analysis, wind load analysis, material modeling and failure analysis. There are a lot of applications in civil engineering. Before using the software, let's briefly go over how to install Abaqus on your computer. Open Google Chrome and here you can search Result System Abaqus Student Version. After searching on this, the window will be appear Result System CAE Software Free Abaqus Learning Editions. After clicking on this first link, here you can see the new window will be appear. This is the new window of dissolved system. Abaqus Learning Edition complete solution for realistic simulations. After clicking on download for free, the new window will be appear. Before this window, this type of window will be appear. I have created already account. You are creating your account here. You can provide your email, username, first name, last name, password, and provide your country and marks on both options and then register. After registering, this type of window will be appear. Learning Edition software downloads. Here you can see the Learning Edition software is available free of charge for personal and educational use. For educational and personal use. State and the license agreement. This product may not be used for commercial use. This is not used for commercial use. Okay. Here you can see the download option of Abaqus 2024 Learning Edition downloads and 2023 Learning Edition download. Here you can see the Abaqus 2023. After clicking on this, the Abaqus Learning Edition will be automatically downloading. Here you can see the installation guide will provide full installation guide of Simula Abaqus Learning Edition. This video will provide the full Abaqus installation process. I already installed Abaqus in my computer. After installing of Abaqus, this type of interference is appear. Here you can see Abaqus CIE 6.14 version which show the title bar of the Abaqus version and current model database. The next one is contain file, model, viewport, view, part, shape, features, tools, plugins and help. This is called menu bar. Menu bar provide the access all the tools which contain this file model viewports. And the next one, this is called toolbar. Toolbar provide quick access to items that are also available in menu bar. This content also available this in this menu bar. And the center we have the viewport. This is where you will visualize and interact with your model. You can zoom, pen, rotate, and manipulate the model to get a better view of its geometry and results. On the left side, we have the model tree. This is where you organize the manage your model, parts, material, sections, steps, interaction, loads, boundaries, and meshes. The model tree help you keep track of all the component of your analysis. This module contain part, property, assembly, step, interaction, loads, mesh, optimization, job, visualization, and sketch. This all module we will study later in the next video, inshallah. This is called module which contain your own model. You can create different models in your abacus. This is this is the option of part which show the different part you are create in your abacus. You can also easily access all the parts module, and here from model tree, here you can see the model, material, section, profile, etc. This is the whole interference of the abacus, and the next lecture we will learn the different interference module, and we will start our work in abacus.